Is now a good time to buy or sell in this crazy market? This is something that I hear all of the time. It is a crazy market. There's a lot going on, and it's been ever changing like a roller coaster. However, stick around and we're going to share some things that might help you make the right decision. Hi, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty, your go-to source for everything real estate and lifestyle in beautiful Corona, California. And this is a tough question because is the market ever changing the last 3 years? Absolutely. Did rates go up? Absolutely. Is there less inventory on the market? Absolutely. So this is probably the first time in a long time I follow the market a lot, very closely, and that actual professional economists that are, whether it's from the National Association of Realtors or CoreLogic, they keep making these, the Fed, they keep making these, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they keep making these assumptions and predictions, and usually they're pretty close. But with a roller coaster market that we've been in, a lot of the predictions are changing. People are saying that they're thinking different things. So obviously nobody has a crystal ball, but I am going to tell you, our first interest rate was 7.5% when we were under 30, and that was a lot for us. Now, mind you, 20-something years ago, home prices were a lot more affordable, but just like anything else, they go up with, inflation and the changing times. And so for us, we didn't even think about the rate. We said, hey, we want to buy a home. We got that mindset that that's what we were going to do. For 2 years, we just chalked everything we had, which at that time wasn't a ton, wasn't a lot, but we still made a plan. We set a goal, and we did steps that we made steps to making sure that goal was a reality. And we just still did fun things and everything, just tighten the belt. And so that's the very first thing I would say is a real estate professional, a financial professional, your parents, your spouse, nobody can make you or prepare you to be ready to buy a home or ready to have a baby 100%. So there are a ton of things you can do to get ready, but you have to have, if you're gonna lose weight, if you're gonna be on an exercise regimen, there's gotta be some discipline, and you've gotta have the proper mindset. So like I was saying before, if you have a goal or dream, you wanna work towards that. But the very first thing that needs to be front and center is a mindset shift. And that's in anything you do, whether it's losing weight, like I was saying, or any other goal that you have. So we wanted to buy a property. We had the right mindset. We did what it took to get there. And if you have a year plan and it takes 2, you just adjust to the different things. No matter what you set, there's people that have a goal, they go straight to it and they conquer it. We were young. We got married at 19 and 21. So we took a very spiraled path to get to where we wanted to be, but we never lost focus and we didn't let anything stop us. And so those are the things too. If it makes sense, you have the right mindset and it makes sense and it's something that is doable, whether it's in 6 months, a year, 2 years, 4 years, 7 years, it doesn't matter. You can accomplish that, but you have to really have the right mindset first. And we've all done this. I've done this a lot. You go to lose weight and you say, this is it. I'm sick of it. Oh, I saw that picture the last time and this is it. Or get in better shape, whatever it is. And then your mindset is not there. So you start something, Nutrisystem, Weight Watchers, Chat GPT can hook you up, whatever you want to do, you start a plan. And then 2 weeks later, just like New Year's resolutions, you're out eating cookies and not working out and sleeping in and taking naps. And that's all fine. if you're okay with that. But if that's your mindset, you just might have a bad day, might have a bad moment or a week, you just get right back on again and keep trying. And that's all you can do in life for anything that you do, is just keep trying, keep moving forward, doing, 1% better than you did the day before. But if you don't have that mindset and you don't have purchasing a home as a goal, you can't really get there, because there's not those little steps, atomic habits, those little things that you do every day get you to your goal. And you're going to fall off and you just need to hop back on. But that is, it's such a big purchase, but it's such a big, win when you can walk into your house with your keys. We hand the keys. That's like my favorite part ever, is when someone gets to sell and move on to the rest of their dreams and adventures. Or if I give someone the keys and they walk in with the biggest smile I've ever seen. Those are things that just mean everything to me. So those, when you walk in, when you hand people the keys, if that is your dream, some people may want to rent forever. That's great. It's all personal choice, but a professional can't make you ready. You have to make you ready. So if it's something that you're thinking about, like Barbara Corcoran says of Shark Tank, if you are going to wait for this market and interest rates are slated sometime in the first quarter of 2024 to go down by many sources. No one has a crystal ball, but say that happens, it's going to be such a mad dash, such a war. Again, with the inventory is really low, demand is really high, but people are waiting because they have nowhere to go. Interest rates are high. That is real. And that's something that you have to kind of think, like, if you can do it now, don't wait and do it. Because when interest rates do drop, homes are probably going to go a little bit, there's going to be bidding wars, and you're going to have to now go back to where we were, where there's 14 offers and you've done just 12 and you haven't gotten accepted. Interest rates are higher right now, but the good thing about interest rates, they say, marry the house, date the rate. So you can definitely, if it makes sense to you, you can refinance and you can make sure, oh, sorry, it's windy out here. You can refinance later on and adjust your payment then. But if you can do it now, and you can have it as a tax benefit, and you can have it as, oh my gosh, I get to barbecue in my own backyard, and you get to do it as something that you're proud of and something that makes you so happy, then just do it. Like Nike says, like Mel Robbins says, the 5-second rule, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just do it. You can conquer your goals. You can make a difference in your life. You just have to have the vision and the mindset to do it. So my answer to that question is, if it makes sense for you, if you can do it, do it. Because there's no negative in owning your home, unless financially it doesn't make sense, or you absolutely can't do it with the rates that are now. That doesn't make sense. Never live to pay your mortgage. That's never what I would want for anybody. But if you can do it, don't wait, or you're going to have a bidding war and you're going to be sorry that you did. So if you have any questions, please call or text me. I'd love to help you out. And then, like I said, we love to provide value. If you have any comments or you'd like to see anything else on the channel, let us know. Please, if it helps us out so much, if you hit the like button, subscribe, and you hit the bell, we really appreciate it, so we can provide more value to you in the community and more tips for you as well. And I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. We'll catch you next time.